Welcome back to Future Fuel, the channel where we explore the latest innovations in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the exciting updates surrounding the 2025 Mazda 3, a car that continues to redefine what a compact sedan or hatchback can achieve. Introduction. Mazda has always been known for blending elegance with performance, and the 2025 Mazda 3 is no exception. For years, this car has been a favorite among drivers seeking premium quality without breaking the bank. The latest model takes that reputation a step further, offering refined aesthetics, cutting-edge technology, and an engaging driving experience. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2025 Mazda 3 represents an evolution of Mazda's signature Kodo design philosophy. The sleek, minimalist lines give the car a timeless appeal, while subtle updates, such as a refreshed grille and sharper LED headlights, add a modern edge. The new 18-inch alloy wheels and an updated color palette, including the eye-catching Soul Crystal Red 2.0, ensure that the Mazda 3 remains a standout on the road. For hatchback fans, the 2025 version introduces a sportier rear design with a more pronounced spoiler and bold taillights. Meanwhile, the sedan variant maintains its refined and professional demeanor, perfect for urban commuters and enthusiasts alike. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that rivals luxury competitors. Premium materials, like soft-touch leather and real aluminum accents, dominate the cabin. Mazda's commitment to craftsmanship is evident in every stitch, from the seats to the dashboard. For 2025, the Mazda 3 comes equipped with an 8.8-inch center display, featuring the latest version of Mazda Connect. The infotainment system now offers seamless integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making connectivity effortless. The available Bose Premium audio system ensures an immersive listening experience, whether you're streaming music or catching up on your favorite podcast. Passenger comfort has also been enhanced, with improved seat cushioning and added legroom in the rear. Dual-zone climate control and optional heated and ventilated seats make the cabin a haven, no matter the weather. Performance and engine options. Mazda is renowned for its zoom philosophy, and the 2025 Mazda 3 delivers on this promise with 3 engine options. First up, the standard 2.0-liter Skyactiv G engine offers excellent efficiency without sacrificing power, making it an ideal choice for daily drivers. Next, the 2.5-liter Skyactiv G Turbo engine takes things up a notch, delivering an exhilarating 250 horsepower for those craving a more dynamic experience. New for 2025 is the Skyactiv X Hybrid engine, blending Mazda's innovative compression ignition technology with hybrid capabilities. This option provides impressive fuel economy while maintaining the responsive driving feel Mazda is famous for. Each engine is paired with a smooth 6-speed automatic transmission, though a manual gearbox is available for enthusiasts opting for the turbocharged model. Additionally, all-wheel drive is offered for added confidence in various driving conditions. Advanced technology and safety. Mazda has heavily invested in technology to ensure the 2025 Mazda 3 is both smart and safe. The iActiveSense Safety Suite comes standard across all trims, including features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. For 2025, the Mazda 3 introduces a traffic jam assist, which combines adaptive cruise and steering assist to make stop and go traffic less stressful. The new 360-degree camera system and improved parking sensors add another layer of convenience and security, particularly in tight urban spaces. Pricing and trim options. The 2025 Mazda 3 is available in a variety of trims to cater to a wide audience. The base trim starts at an attractive $24,000 and offering exceptional value for money. Higher trims, like the Premium Plus, come loaded with luxury features, including a heads-up display and Napa leather upholstery, priced around $35,000 and, with its blend of affordability, performance, and refinement, the Mazda 3 ensures there's something for everyone. Conclusion. The 2025 Mazda 3 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It proves that compact vehicles can offer thrilling performance, luxurious interiors, and cutting-edge technology without compromise. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver, a sporty hatchback, or an efficient hybrid, the Mazda 3 is ready to deliver. Thanks for tuning into Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Mazda 3, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth looks at the cars shaping our future. See you in the next video.